G'day. I've been working quite a bit on this aeroplane, and as you can see, I've been trying to take it to the next level, which is sanding all these edges, getting them nice and smooth. So I've just stuck some ends on there. That's pretty simple, just a couple of bits of timber on the end, and then round them off after it's dry, and an end on the nose as well. So pretty simple. I don't think we really need measurements there to work that out. It's simple stuff. But first of all, you have to sand the nose flat, and then you add your pieces onto the end, and then once it's dry, sand around it. You can see that the wing itself is like a plane wing should be. It's rounded at the front and it's pointed at the back. And you can see that if you get it on the right angle there underneath the plane there. So that's one set of wings. I've got the other set of wings coming, but that's my progress so far. Thanks.